So I'm going to show you how to elevate your videos from this to this. So please like and subscribe for the algorithm, and we're going to start the video right now. Where my camera is, lighting is not like facing me, so you want to change. You at least want to change first thing is like lighting is really important, and you want the light at least facing your face on the side or in front of your face. So try to move your camera in front of a light, like in front of like a window or something of the sort, and you want to change it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to change it directions, and you see that how the light is naturally hitting me and I'm more in like the focus range, and it makes the video easier to look at me and the lighting is better. Trying to fix lighting hits my face and it's naturally more flattering to be on camera, and I'm the main focus, and then when I talk now you don't see like darkness and stuff like that around me. I have some lighting around my room. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And depending, you know, also you can buy some lights if you don't have a window, and try to have some lighting on the side or here and there. Since right now the sun is kind of setting, there's some kind of clouds, the lighting will be changing in and out, but this is a good step to start to have better lighting on your videos. And a lot of people turn off their lights in their rooms so you have a distinction from the front subject and the back subject. And this way you're more of the focus here. And I'm gonna still fix this just a little bit, make sure it's a little more centered, and I am like your main subject here, so I'm more in your focus and you're paying more attention to me. Now secondly, we're gonna fix the sound quality of this. So this is a current audio with nothing on, just the camera itself, and I have a Canon SX730, and I have this very small mic here that I got. My boyfriend bought it for me for like 30 bucks. You can save $5, you know, every week and save up for a little mic like this. And I'm going to add it and change the audio, which is another way to really easily level up your videos. So I put it in here. I'm going to touch it here. I'm not a big fan of a little mic, but it does help a lot with my audio quality. Alright, so now you hear the audio quality, and it's probably so much better, so much easier, and your voice is deeper too, so it captures like your deeper tones, and so it's much more relaxing, and viewers actually enjoy that kind of, you know, editing and stuff like that. Another way to like up your videos is to add lighting in the background of some sort. I have some little lights here, a little thing over there, and it kind of adds there is some lighting in the background. It kind of adds like the difference from the front here and the back. Like it separates each other. So that light in the background, like the little one right there, I have it throughout my room. It creates a distinction from the front and the back. So you want to add like a back lighting, and hopefully that's going to help your videos look much better. And you do want to get a tripod. If you cannot afford a tripod, this one that I have right here, let me see if I can detach it from this. So this tripod right here that I'm using is Amazon Basics. I will put the link below if you want to go click on it and buy it. It's only like 12 bucks, and it goes up to probably like yay high, like really high, and it changes really a lot of different angles. And it has this balancer right here, so it'll tell you if like you're leaning a little too much on one side than the other one. So this actually helps a lot with the angles and making sure that you're in focus in your video. So I highly recommend getting this. And if you can't, try to stack some books up until you know you can actually afford one of these. This has been a really good investment to make my videos better, just to get that better angle, and it's a flatter, like, you know, not shaky type of holding on the camera, and it elevates your video so much more. So I'm gonna put it back on here. So what I did is I put the camera up slightly like above my face, and I angled it down to my face. And let's see, like, let's just pretend like I didn't angle it down. It would be like this, so it'd be really weird. So when you angle down a camera, you're the main focus of, like, you're the main focus here. Actually, let me fix that a little bit more. Yeah, you're the main focus of the shot when it's angled down at you. And if you have like a double chin or something, that actually helps out a lot too. So, you know, it makes you look a little thinner if you wanted that as well. And this is just, I think right here, You know, if you wanted to speak, talk, you know, talk a story, talk about an experience that you had, this is a really good way just to get your audience engaged. All right, another big tip is that I could give you is that you want to find somewhere where you're 100% comfortable. Like I have this chair right here, this desk chair. You can be sitting anywhere and it naturally makes you more comfortable. And not only that, when you're talking, you sound more comfortable and probably more confident and less awkward. So make sure that you're 100% more comfortable in the actual setting you're sitting in, and that's actually going to help you a lot to make your videos just a level up. Make sure you're 100% comfortable, make sure you feel like filming that day, and make sure you actually are having good lighting and things like that to really complement the style of your video and better quality videos. I hope that this video helped you out, and I really please, if you can, subscribe and like this so I can grow my little channel, and I'll see you guys again. Thank you so much. It's been LaProfesora. See you guys again. Bye.